These clone stem tool, right? Healing brush tool. These tools, right? The spot healing brush tool and the
Yes, sir.
tool and pass tool and aware move tool and red eye tool, right? Today we are going to learn these are the tools. See there. Here we have some options there. That is a defined pattern and defined brush presetted, and we can also use the option like this. The serial here. That is the menus. Okay. So firstly we go with that option that is define pattern, right? And then we use custom shape. So firstly, we want to just define with the pattern. So firstly, just take any image from your screen or from your computer like this. And here we want to just make the pattern like this. Just see here and just add here like this. We want to just make this pattern. So firstly, we have to select some section like this. Okay, like this. And after that, if you want to just make this pattern, just select it and click on here. And here we have the option that is define pattern, right? When you click on this and just type some name here, just see the heavy name, just type the name first and click on OK. When you click on OK, you will get the particular pattern in the particular shape and just click on this new and take a new file. And here we can set the paper according to our requirement. So here we set international paper and we will get the particular standard of the international like A4. It is available everywhere. So just take A4 size paper and click on OK. You will get the page like this and you just zoom in by using Alt, holding the Alt and increase your, move your cursor in upward direction, right? And after that, here we have the pattern option. Just click on this. Here we have that is what option? That is pattern stamp tool. Just click on pattern stamp tool and here we have the pattern as I work with that. So here we have a new pattern coming in that section. You can observe here. This is the last one as I added here. Okay. And just click on this. And after clicking on this, we will get these types of effect like this. Just click on this, double click here and just increase the brush size by using this and just move your cursor like this. You will get the pattern as you saved previously, right? So we can do this process and make the different
Yes, sir.
pattern for our background. So firstly, just take here and click on new and click on OK and just minimize or restore it and double click here. And you can choose any photograph for the pattern. You can also go with the selection. For example, here we select this particular section and we want to just select this section, all the flowers as a pattern. So firstly, just decrease the size of the brush and then increase the area. And here we use to select magic tool. Just click on this magic wand tool. Just click on this. Or you can also go with the quick selection. You can choose anyone in the both shortcut keys W, right? Just click on quick selection and press your cursor. Just see there, it is automatically selected very fastly when you click here again and again. But you should keep in mind that is the second option has been selected here because we want to just add the particular selection continuously, right? And after doing that, we just move on this. Here we have the next option that is the define brush. Okay, define brush. And we want to just these types of shape for the brush, then we can use here and click on define brush. So it becomes a flower like brush coming with that and just name the flower, name this brush, just type in my new brush and click on OK, right? When you save here and after saving this, you just move on your page, blank page and place your cursor here and increase the size of this brush. And after that, move your cursor in this brush stroke. And here we have the brush tool. Just click on this and just move on this. And we just scroll down a little bit light like this. And here we have the last option that is the 438 is the same shape as I selected here. Just select this content and move your cursor here and just drag like this. Just see there. Just click here. You will get the same shape with that. Why we get these types of color with that? Because here we have, first just blank this by using the history. Here we have the color blue and white. That's why it comes like blue and white, right? But we want to just change the color. Just double click here and we just set the color orange or yellow. It will look like yellow, looks like yellow like this. Select it and click on yellow color. Click here and select the yellow color and click on OK. And as a background, double click here and just choose the red color, or you can choose any color. And after that, just press here. What happened? It becoming like yellow color coming like that because the forecolor is yellow. If you want a little bit red flowers between this brush, so you have to just again double click here and choose what color? Red color. Just click on and click on OK, and just click here. You will get the red flowers between this. Okay, so you can make the different attractive background by using or by yourself making the different brush as I told you. Clear here? Any query? You can make
no,
this,
sir.
and you can again just change the color and you just mix the multiple colors of flowers by using this. Here we select the blue color, just click here and press your color. Blue flowers coming with that, right? So that
Yes,
is
sir.
about the brush. When we've set this brush, and we can also draw the brush. Okay, we can also draw the brush according to our requirement. So first, we just take a new file or new document and click on OK. And by this option, just see there. Here we have the tool. Just restore it and just see there. Click here. Here are the different tools by which we will just make the different shapes of brush. So just firstly, just click on pen tool and just draw any shape like this. Just move your cursor here and just draw any shape according to your requirement like this and join it, right? And
Yes,
if you
sir.
want to just this shape, firstly, just keep in mind, we have to set your shape and after that just draw it. Otherwise it will not work properly, right? So firstly, we have to set what? Just move on this. After moving on this tool, we have to move here and here we have to set what? Shape tool. And after giving the shape tool, we can also set the color from this section and the stroke as well. You want to just red stroke, then you will show the red stroke. And after that, just draw your shape according to your requirement by using the pen tool, right? Just like this. Just click here. You can make the different shapes like this. Right? And if you want
yes,
to this shape, if you want to just shape this types of brush for your brush, just click on this. And again, we have the two options available there. Actually, three options available. Here we have the define brush preset. Just click on this and make the brush. This is my brush stroke. Brush, new, one. Clear? And again, we just go there. Here's the next. Just click on define pattern. We can make the pattern as well. Just type here my new pattern. My new pattern. And after that, just click on here again. And here we can also set that custom shape. Just click on define custom shape and name the shape like this. New shape. New shape. And click on OK. Don't use the space between the words when you're just naming here. Okay. And after that, whenever you need to just these types of shapes in your image, then you can go with that. Just see there. Here we just take some image like this and click on open. You just get there the image like this, or you can just another image, or you just took the blank new one like this. Okay. And after that, if you want to just apply all the three properties, first one, that is the pattern. As I said, just click on this. And here we have the tool that is the pattern stamp tool. Click on pattern stamp tool and you can select the pattern like this and just drag here, increase the brush size and move your cursor like this. So here we have the pattern, this pattern. Okay. And just move here and just see that this pattern is appearing or not. I think it is appearing when we
yes,
just
sir, it's appearing.
Okay. When we click here multiple times, it will showing like that. Okay. So that's the option by which you just use the pattern, right? And again, we go with that and another option
Yes,
that is next one, that is a shape. So here we have the shape tool. To see there are different shapes available there, that like rectangle shape, rounded rectangle, ellipse tool, polygon tools, and last one that is the custom shape. So as I save for the shape, we can get by using this option custom shape. And here we have the customized shape like this. Just scroll down and you will get the last shape as I made it. Okay, just click on this and just draw it. Just see there, you will get this shape, right? So we can make different.
Yes,
if you just want to make the cup, you can give and you just make any symbol as you want to place in the particular image. Okay, just like a cup, flower, you can just draw according to your talent, according to your creativity. You can draw any shape by using which option? By using this pen tool. Okay, here we have a free pen tool, free form pen tool. It works similarly, but we just click here and just draw any shape like this, and you can draw free form without any interruption or without any clicking multiple times. Just make this and it becomes a new shape, right? So these are the different tools by which we can modify the shape by using this. Here's the pen tool and the free form pen tool. So first you just make the shape like tree, just click on this and just draw the tree shape like this. And after drawing the tree shape like a structure, and if you want to just modify this tree, first you just change the color by using this, that like green. Clear? And after that, we want to just modify this shape. Have some tools, just click on this. And here's the next tool, that is anchor, add anchor point. When you click here, we can able to add the particular points between this. Just zoom in here and just see there. When we click here, it will add the particular point between these lines. And you can just extend here. You can get the extension like this, and you can just hold the nodes and just move upward, downward direction. You will get the different shapes by adjusting this nodes, right? These are the different nodes. Is it visible or not? Is it visible, these nodes?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, you can also you also can change the particular curve like structure. Here's the extension line. You can also set the curve by using this. So these are the tools by which we can just add the particular point if you want to just modify the shape. Second one, that is the delete anchor point. If you want to just delete the particular point, this nodes, just click on delete and just click on this nodes. It will delete from this section. Just click here. It will delete from this section like this, right? Just click here again and again. If you don't need to this nodes, just click on this. It will remove step by step, right? This is the option by which we can add the nodes, and we can just delete the node by using this option, and we can modify the shape. Just click on this. It will remove like this. Here we just click here, it will remove, right? And next one, that is the last tool, that is the convert point tool. Just click on this and just click on here. It becomes a point tool like this. Just move here like this. First, just hold this button, hold this nodes and just move here. Either you can move here for the curve tool, and you can also for the straight line. Just click here. It will show like this. Just see here, and you just make the curve like structure like this. And here we go again, just hold it and just move upward direction like this, and you will get the shape in this direction, right? You can just move in a little bit downward direction. It will show like that. Understood? So this will give the curvature by using this option, that is the convert point tool. So these are the 4 tools by which we can modify our shapes according to our creativity. Clear here? Next one.
Yes.
After doing this, if you want to save this, I have already told about, either you can go with that. Here we have the define brush, define pattern. You can choose any 3 options, any one of them for your saving. Clear? This is the use of shape tool. And if you want to just make add predefined shape, if you want to just add predefined shape, so here we have different shapes also available in this section. Just click on custom. If you want to just draw rectangle, you can easily go for this option. Otherwise, we just click on custom shape. Here we have the different shapes, predefined shapes. Just see there. This is a Caesar-like structure. Just click on this like this. It will be looking like that. And if you want to just make the symbol for the cutting particular area from the image, you can go for that and just use the dash line. As I told about you, just click on here. And here we use horizontal line and draw and just type here minus symbol like this. Just use here minus symbol. It will show the minus symbol between this. Just click here firstly. Remove this and place your cursor here and use minus symbol like this. Right? And after that, you can change the color by using this. That color, just click on black and click on OK. And after that, just move your cursor here and just move a little bit downward like this. And you can set the cutting point for your image, right? And we can also set the color of the shape. Just click on shape tool. And here we just select this shape by using this. Just click on right click here and click on shape. And you can set the color. Just double click here or right click here and just click on shape. And after that, just click on shape. You can set the color for this. Here's a set black color. Double click here and you can choose here like this. It's coming like that. And if you don't want that, click on here. It will remove the outline. You will get a perfect Caesar-like structure and you just place here for the cutting structure, right? So these are the tools by which we can just set information for the image, and you can go through that, right? And similarly, here we have multiple shapes. You can also go with that to see here. So just click on this shape tool. This is a shape tool, custom shape, and the serial. There are different options also available there. Here are the different logos, symbols, and you can go with that to see here. Just click on this and draw here, and you can usually see there's 20% discount. It is written in this particular section. Just click on this yellow color or red color like this, and just type here some content like this here, and just place your cursor, or just type 20% discount. Firstly, just place your cursor on T and click on this section. Firstly, remove this and place your cursor here where you want. Just type here, decrease the font size by using Control Shift plus comma, 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 and 20% discount. Okay, select it and decrease the font size like this. Clear? After decreasing the font size,
yes, sir.
You can set this like this content and just remove this section from here. And after that, just place here this image in this section. Move here and place here. Okay, you can usually see in the any advertisement 20% discount. You can also decrease the size by using Control T. Okay, and just hold it and just minimize the size like this. Okay, and after that, if you want to add some text, double click here and just click on text tool and click here and just press enter and type your discount like this. And just press centralize here. Click on this, it becomes centralized. Again, click here and click on center. It becomes center line. And press T. And after that, just place your text in this condition. Right? So this is all about the tool. Clear? And it